In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add filters to a collection page in Shopify. By the end, you'll have a collection page where shoppers can easily narrow down products by things like color, availability, and price. First, we need to make sure your products actually use variants, because filters like color depend on that setup. In your Shopify admin, look at the menu on the left and click on Products. Open one of your products that comes in different colors. Scroll down the product page until you see the Variants section. Here, you'll add your color options. Click to add a variant option. For the option name, type Color. For the values, enter each color your product comes in, separated by commas, for example, black, gray, white. You can add as many colors as you need. When you're done, scroll up or down and click Save to make sure those variants are stored. Repeat this variant setup for any other products that should have color options. Now that you've added color variants, let's create the actual color filter. In the left-hand panel of your Shopify admin, look for the Search and Discovery app and click it. Under that app, click on Filters. You'll see any filters you already have, like availability and price, which usually appear by default. To add a color filter, click Add Filter. Then click Add Source and choose the category metafield related to color. This tells Shopify that the filter should pull its values from the color information on your products. Set the filter label to color so it appears clearly to your customers. Next, choose the filter logic. If you select OR, a product will appear when it matches at least one of the colors a shopper selects. If you choose AND, the product must match all selected colors, which is more restrictive and less common for color filters. Pick the one that fits how you want filters to behave. You can also decide whether the filter values are sorted automatically or manually. The colors you added as variants will automatically appear as filter values. When everything looks good, click Save. Now we'll enable these filters in your theme so they actually show up on your collection page. Again, in the left panel, click Online Store, then on your current theme, click Edit Theme. This opens the online store editor. At the top of the editor, open the page selector and choose Collections, then Default Collection. Once you're on the collection page layout, click on the Product Grid section. In the Settings panel on the left, scroll until you find Filtering and Sorting. Turn on the toggles for both filters and sorting. You'll also see a setting for Filter Layout. Here you can choose how filters appear: horizontal, which shows filters above the product cards; vertical, which shows them in a sidebar; or drawer, which hides them in a panel that slides out when a shopper clicks a filter button. Choose the style that fits your store's design and your customers' habits. When you're done, click Save. Finally, visit your live online store and open a collection page. You should now see the filter layout you chose, along with your new color filter and any default filters like price and availability. Try selecting a few colors and sorting options to confirm everything is working as expected.